Hello everyone, this is Retro Bet 357. Um, Here with a quick video of the checking the VRAM temps and the power on the Red Devil 9070 XT. Thanks for everyone that commented on my first video yesterday about the car. Uh, Thanks for the feedback, the couple of requests that you guys asked. So what I'm gonna do here is just run a quick full mark on my current monitor where I'm recording this is extra wide 3440 by 1440. I believe this is a 160 hertz monitor. My system is CPU is a 9800 X3D. Of course, the graphic card is the Red Devil 97 XT limited edition. It has 64 gigs of RAM, DDR5 G-Skill CL32. The motherboard is an Asus ROG Strix B650EF. Power supply that I'm running this, I believe, is an ASRock Gold 1000 watts. So we're gonna go ahead and run it, see how the temperatures are doing on the RAM and how much power it draws. I did a little research. I'm not sure because looking on the websites is kind of like one. Some websites tell you an amount of watts that it takes. Some others tell you a different one. So let's go ahead and do a quick run on this and see how it goes. Okay. I'm gonna put the tech power up there to the side. So right now GPU temperature looks nice. Hotspot is at 80 degrees Celsius. The VRAM temperature is at 90 Celsius right now. The memory clock is what, 2505. The GPU clock is just about 2.2. It's not pushing, I guess, hard. The board power draw right now is 330. So system memory use, you guys see it there. 334, it goes up and down. Some websites say that it's 330, but after you see here it's 335. I believe it's kind of like around 340. You probably can push the limit, maybe 10%. But I don't know. You probably won't gain much through that. Most likely, probably doing an undervolt and overclocking, you can probably squeeze a little bit more performance on this car. But right now, yeah, VRAM temperatures, I know that some people on the comments were asking for that, is good at 88, and the hotspot, tell you now, is way better than my 7900 XTX Hellhound. This one right here. Just what to point out, I got the tempered glass out of the side tempered glass. I took it off just to see how much I can get out of the car in terms of like lower. Try to keep the temperature lows. So far it's been running for 2.5 minutes, and it's pretty steady. Can't complain. See, 333, 330. Not much of a not much of a difference from my older car, but yes, indeed, this It's way cooler and more efficient than the XTX. GPU uses a 98. VRAM temps 88, 89, 90 is the highest that I see in it, and the power, I think I see it for a minute about 335. So so far good. If you guys hear some kids in the back, it's mine. They are gamers, so they're on their gaming PCs playing their games. Sometimes they get a little bit excited. GPU load is 98, 100, it goes up. So I don't think there's probably it's gonna uh, this is the best it's gonna get. I don't see anything. So I read a couple articles today about the MSRP thing that is probably just it was going uh, to be just for the first shipment. And I saw another articles that they were trying to keep it the same. I was amazed yesterday when I got this card. I'm in Texas, and so we got a micro center here in Houston. So I went there. They opened at 8. I think I arrived at about 7:45, and the line was already wrapped around the building. I think I was in line for like 2 hours. So we did the line outside, and we were inside the store. There was a big kind of like a snake line throughout the store. And by the time that I got to the back where they were taking the orders of the GPUs, the last MSRP card was sold around 956, and it was the guy right in front of me. Like he was very happy. It was an ASRock graphic card at MSRP, so he was pretty happy. But I saw a lot of people leaving with the Sapphire. It was kind of like going every time that someone went outside the store, it was Sapphire, 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 Sapphire. I went one with in mind with grabbing a Red Devil, just because I couldn't find a 7900 XTX Red Devil when I tried to buy one, and kind of like threw off my whole bill and team. So I know that the 7900 XTX is on rasterization is higher and probably gonna last longer in terms like 4K if I ever go 4K, due to the fact that it has 24 gigabytes of RAM. But I play at 1440p, so to me it was not a big deal. I still got it there. I just want to for the fact I got it 700 XTs, the 7800 XT Hellhound, Red Devil 7900 XT, and not Red Devil 7900 XT, and the Hellhound 7900 XTX, which I'm surprised. But usually I put my hand when on the XTX, I will put my hand in the rear fan, and I can, it would feel like really warm. This one, not that much. But again, I'm very impressed with the temperature, with the power efficiency of this car. The looks are great. I don't think that is like out there to the point that it's too much. I think it's, for me, it has the right balance. The only thing is I think the price was a little bit higher. I was thinking that was going to be like around $800, but I pay $849 plus tax. But that's that pretty much it. I just wanted to uh, put this video out. Like I said, hopefully the cars continue being an MSRP. I've seen people from different parts of the of the world saying, regions saying that they couldn't get one. Uh, I was able, like when I was in line, I was able to order one through Newegg. It was just a regular Red Devil XT. So I had it. Everything was confirmed, and to be honest, I almost keep it. But as soon as I was able to grab one from Micro Center, I I canceled the order in Newegg. It's not, to me, it was not fair. Probably someone out there needs that car, and for what? What I probably could sit it here. I could probably make a couple bucks out of eBay, but that is not what it. I'm trying to. I really was hoping for a win on this generation for AMD. I think we kind of like got it, not all the way, but I think it was it's pretty close. We'll see. I don't think that the 5050 or 5060 8 GB from Nvidia is coming out. I don't know. I don't think that that is gonna sell. Just because having 8 GB. But we'll see. You never know. Everything is AI, everything is software. I think that's basically the focus on these companies. But other than that, like I said, I'm Retrobet 357. I'm just a Army veteran, retired that likes tech. So if you like the video, just hit the like. Just hit me in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, this quick video. I just got off from work, but I one of the guys that comment on my first video asked me about the ramp and about the power. So like I said, power, I think it's 340 plus 10%. You probably can get some, but just undervolt the card, overclock the RAM and see what you can squeeze out of it. Okay, so until the next video, goodbye, and everybody be safe out there. Peace out.